Have you ever wondered how a telescope works? It's a simple question, but behind it lies a saga of human curiosity and ingenuity. Since time immemorial, our ancestors have been captivated by the night sky, its glittering stars and the mysteries they hold. This fascination kindled an insatiable desire to reach out and understand the cosmos, leading to the birth of a remarkable invention, the telescope. So, are you ready to embark on this cosmic journey with me? Let's delve into the intriguing journey of how telescopes came into existence. The telescope, a device that has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos, has a rich history. Its origin story takes us back to the early 17th century in the hands of a Dutch mathematician and astronomer named Hans Lippershey. It was Lippershey who first applied for a patent for this far-seeing device, a contraption that could magnify objects at a distance. However, the telescope as we know it today owes much to an Italian scholar, Galileo Galilei. Galileo didn't invent the telescope, but he sure took Lippershey's design and ran with it. He improved upon the original design, increasing its magnification power. With his enhanced telescope, Galileo made astronomical observations that shook the scientific world. He observed the moon's craters, discovered Jupiter's moons, and provided evidence for the heliocentric model of our solar system. The invention of the telescope marked the beginning of a new era in astronomical exploration. Over the centuries, the design and functionality of telescopes have evolved tremendously. From their inception, telescopes were primarily refracting devices, using lenses to bend light and magnify distant objects. However, these early models had limitations. Enter Isaac Newton. In the late 17th century, Newton introduced the reflecting telescope, using mirrors instead of lenses to gather and focus light. This was a game-changer, enabling larger, more powerful telescopes that could delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos. But the evolution didn't stop there. The 20th century saw the advent of radio telescopes, allowing us to detect celestial bodies not by their light, but by the radio waves they emit. This opened up a whole new way of observing the universe. And in the late 20th century, the final frontier was breached with the launch of space telescopes, free from the distortions of our atmosphere. As technology advanced, so did our window into the cosmos. Telescopes in their many forms have one primary function: to gather light. This seemingly simple task is accomplished through a series of intricate mechanisms. Picture this: a ray of light from a distant star or galaxy travels millions, even billions of miles, until it finally reaches the lens or mirror of a telescope. This is where the magic starts. The lens or mirror, known as the telescope's objective, has a significant role. It collects light. The larger the objective, the more light it can gather, and the finer the details we can observe. Now, once the light is collected, it's time for the next act. The light is directed towards a focal point, creating a bright, clear, and magnified image of the distant object. This is what we see when we look through a telescope. But what about magnification? Well, it's not just about making things look bigger. It's about increasing the resolution, the level of detail we can see. This is achieved with the help of an eyepiece. The eyepiece magnifies the image produced at the focal point, giving us a closer look at the wonders of the cosmos. So, from the moment light enters the telescope to the point where we see a magnified image, every piece of the telescope plays a crucial part. This journey of light, this dance of physics and optics, is what makes telescopes so fascinating. The workings of a telescope, though complex, offer us unparalleled views of our universe. From a simple tube with lenses to complex machines in space, telescopes have come a long way. This journey began in the early 17th century with the curiosity of gazing at the stars. A simple invention born out of a desire to see a bit more of our vast universe became the tool that allowed us to explore the cosmos. From Galileo's refracting telescope to today's gigantic observatories and space-based telescopes, the development of these instruments has been nothing short of remarkable. Each advancement, each leap in technology, has brought us closer to understanding the mysteries of the universe. Yet, at the heart of every telescope, the basic mechanism remains the same: a lens or a mirror, capturing light, magnifying images, and bringing distant objects into clear view. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the incredible journey of the telescope that allows us to explore the cosmos from our tiny corner of the universe.